Hi guys, welcome back to Unbox. In today's video we are going to unbox the W3 Smartwatch, which is a replica of Samsung Gear 3. So before we get started guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get the notifications of the upcoming videos, and follow us on social media as well. So guys, as any typical watch made in China, it has a very pleasant unboxing experience. The first thing to notice is the manual of the watch, which contains all the functionality of the watch as well as the app which you have to install before using this watch. The next thing is right underneath the manual you will find the rubber strap, which has interlocking on both sides as well as some good texture, which feels good in hand and feels quite sturdy. And the next thing is the charging cradle for the watch, which uses 2-pin magnet system and USB-A. And then the final piece is the watch itself, which comes pre-installed with the screen protector. The watch feels very light and has some good texture with matte black finish. On the right hand side you will find 2 crown buttons, and the lower one has a circular red accent around it, indicating it also acts as a power button. Booting up the watch, you can see you are greeted with the Samsung Galaxy Gear 3 logo. The watch comes pre-installed with watch faces, and the screen is fairly bright and easy to read. Pressing the upper crown brings you to the menu, and since it's a replica of Samsung Gear 3, it tries to mimic the same Tizen software that was used in the Samsung. And the bezel around the watch also rotates and gives you a very satisfying clicks. It also has the oxygen monitoring and blood sugar level monitoring system as well, which takes some time for measurement but is very accurate. Other than this, the watch itself is quite sturdy and good looking and very fairly easy to use. The navigation menu is quite responsive, and there is tons of customization options in the watch itself. In my opinion guys, this watch is a bang for your buck and quite affordable in terms of functionality and what it can replicate as a functionality of Samsung Gear 3. If we talk about the colors and options for this watch guys, there are gold, silver and gray color available in this watch, and I would suggest that you look for the gold or silver color, which are very good looking compared to this matte black. And also consider the HW21, which is a direct competition of this watch, and also the EMI W12 watch, which is also gorgeous looking. I would suggest that you try all these watches before making a decision and buying this watch. So guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time guys, take care.